basically angled initially. This is the third version of the law, and the first one that we saw, which came in just weeks after President Trump came in, actually had predominantly angled it at Muslim majority countries. Since then, there were other versions, another version that was rejected by federal lower courts, and then this third version that the Supreme Court has upheld. They've changed the language, they've watered it down so it doesn't seem like it's a religious ban. They've taken out some of that religious lingo, and on top of that, they added two other countries, Venezuela and North Korea. But those two countries were already under very tight travel restrictions because of sanctions that they're under. So in a sense, the Supreme Court is saying, look, this is not really a Muslim ban, but you have to look at the larger context, because when President Trump first came in, while he was campaigning, he made comments like, Islam hates us. There were comments made by President Trump where he said we've got to look at legal ways to stop Muslims from coming into the country. He was quoted by people close to him making comments like that. So in a larger context, the question is whether it really is still a Muslim ban. And on top of that, there are questions about human rights in general. When you blanket ban a country altogether, what are the human rights implications? So whether it's physically, specifically a Muslim ban, as we've been calling it, whether it angles other countries as well, it's basically something you need to look at in a larger context.